How to add text in DaVinci Resolve 18. Go up here to where it says effects and press on it, and then move down to where it says text plus or text, and then drag it to your timeline, and then you can expand it or make it smaller, or you can fade it in or out, so then when it plays, it fades in like that, and then it fades out. But press on it and then go up to the inspector page, and then it has custom title. Delete that and then type what you want. So I'm gonna put hello. So now we have font. So if you press on the top one and move down, so I'm gonna pick this one, and then you have all of these options here. I'm not gonna name them all, but I usually pick bold, or there's extra bold on some of them. You can also change your color, so I'm gonna have it blue. You can increase your size, you can increase the spaces in between your lines, and to reset any of these, press this dot here, and then you can move it up or down, left or right. And if you enjoyed this video, I have a video on how to make your text look better in DaVinci Resolve 18, which I think you should watch right now.